Hi everyone, for today's video we're going to make this little fun zipper pouch. You can fit some goodies in there, and then it's a cute little gift to give. Okay, so let's go ahead and make this. I bought these zippers from Amazon. They're 9-inch zippers, and it comes, I believe, in a pack of 40. And then I'll put that link down below, so you'll need your zipper. The paper that I used is by First Edition. I picked this up at Joann. I believe they might still have it. But this paper pad came with two fabric texture designs. So this one was one of it, and then this one. So we'll use this one today. But it's a really nice, thick fabric paper. So we use that. Okay, and then you'll need a trimmer, a scoreboard, a scoring tool, and a hot glue gun. And that's all you'll need. And then a pair of scissors. Okay, so let's trim it. So we're going to trim it at 4 1/4. So the height is 4 1/4. And then the width is 5. So you'll need 2 pieces of those. Okay. Next thing you'll need is your scoreboard. And then you're going to score on the 4 1/4 inch side, this being the bottom. You're going to score it 1 1/4. Actually, I turn it over. It's easier to score this way. Okay. And then same with this one. 1 1/4. Okay. So that's going to make your bag. And then you're going to need, let's take back the paper. You're going to need 2 1-inch strips. So 1 by 12. So cut it at 1. You need 2 of those. Okay. So on the 1-inch strips, you're going to score 1/2 inch. So just score it 1/2 inch. And just turn it over because this is a smaller scoreboard. Okay, and you're going to do that to both pieces. Okay, next you're going to score at 1/2 inch, and then 3 1/2, and then turn it again 1/2 inch, and then 3 1/2, and do that to both strips. So 1/2 inch, 3 1/2, 1/2 inch, 3 1/2. Okay, so that's that. And then we're just going to fold those scored lines. Just fold those. And then I just do this. so it's easier for it to curve. And plus, because it's fabric, it does help. I mean, it's more flexible fabric paper. I haven't tried this yet with regular design paper, but I'm sure it should be fine. Okay, and then just again fold those scored lines. And then just do this. Okay, now on one side, you're going to cut a slit on all of those scored lines. So just only on one side, okay? So one, cut up to that 1/2 inch mark. 2, and 3, and 4. Do the same to the other side. Just up to that 1/2 inch mark. Okay, so now that you did that, what I do next is I just fold these. Just make sure they're nice and folded. Okay, now you're going to take your zipper and on the side where we didn't cut the slit is where you're going to adhere the zipper to. Okay, so let's take our zipper here, and I just tape it down just to hold it down. So just take some washi tape and I hold it down on one side, just like that, just so it doesn't move. Just move that there. Okay, now we're going to take one of the strips, again, where it's not, the side that doesn't have the cut slits, we're going to glue. So you're going to see where this 1/2 inch scored line is. It's going to be at the tail of that zipper, and same with this. So you're going to be left with 2 1/2 inch ends that are not glued to the zipper. Okay, because this right here, this zipper is 11 inches, and then this is 11 inches. So let's take our hot glue gun, and I just glue a little at a time. Like so. Now with this zipper, you can feel this little bump right here. I don't know if that goes with all the zippers, but I use that kind of as my guide. And then just continue all the way to the end. I think I need some more glue. Okay, so there's that. And then you're going to do the other side. So I just put the washi tape on this side so it doesn't move. And then again, you're going to take the side that doesn't have the cut slits, and then you'll just glue it down. Once you make a couple of these, go by really fast. This one is a little bit longer, but I think it should be okay. Now just make sure it's lined up. It's always that little zipper part that always seem to get in my way. This little thing right here. But yeah, just make sure it's lined up. Okay, so that's that. So just remove the washi tape. Okay, next you want to take these two pieces here, and you're just going to fold that score line. Okay, and then I take my corner chomper. I use this corner chomper, and I use the 1/4 inch side. Just corner around it. This one I actually ended up doing by hand because I forgot to corner around it. So don't forget to corner around it. Okay, so next what you're going to do is you're going to decide which way you want your zipper to. So I have it going down this way, so this will be the front. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to fold those two ends, and then you'll have this long piece right here. This piece is what's going to get connected to this. Okay, so find which one you want as the front. I think I'll do this one as the front. Okay, so what you're going to do is I just push these in so they're not in my way. I'm going to add some hot glue. Okay, and then you just line it up. So, okay, and then you're going to turn this. Well, first you're going to glue this 1/2 inch into here. Okay, so let's glue that first. Let's glue that in. Okay, and now we're going to glue it like this. Okay. Let's just press that down. Now because I corner round it, just keep in mind this square part will stick out a little bit, but if you don't want that part to show, then just don't corner around the corners. But I don't mind it. So just a little tip. Okay, so let's do the other side. Let's glue this one in. Just like that. Okay, and then we're going to glue it like this. Okay. Right. Okay, so the next side, before we glue this down, let's do the other side. So I push these in, and then I glue it to this. So push these guys in. I'm going to take our other piece, do the same thing to this side. Okay. And then I'm going to glue these little 1/2 inch tabs here. that in. Just line it up. Okay, let's do the other side. Glue that down. So the fabric paper is a little bit more flexible as far as bending it. Okay, so now you got that, and then you'll see these little tabs right here. So what I do next is, again, where's my front, because I want to make sure the fold is in the front, so I'm going to glue this down first. Okay, so let's add adhesive to those tabs and then just glue it down. Just want to make sure it's nice and lined up. Okay, and then we'll do the other side. Just line that up. So add your hot glue. Okay, and then we'll add it to this piece, and then we're done. Right, and there you are. That's how you make this cute little zipper pouch. You can fill it up, lots of goodies, hang a cute charm. You can embellish the front however you like, and it makes a really cute gift. Now just keep in mind with this 9-inch zipper, the zipper doesn't go all the way down. So just a little heads up, if you want to get a longer zipper, you can get a longer zipper if you want it to go all the way down. But I'm okay with it not going all the way down. So makes a cute little gift. So I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching. Bye.